জি স্যার হচ্ছে এখন।
Okay, so this is the actually application of de Moivre's theorem. If x equals to if x plus 1 by x equals to twice cos theta, y plus 1 by y equals to twice cos pi, and z plus 1 by z equals to twice cos psi, then you have to find these three values. That means xyz plus 1 by xyz equals to twice cos theta plus pi plus psi. Number 2, x to the power m y to the power n plus y to the power n divided by x to the power m equals to 2 cos m theta minus n pi. X to the power m y to the power n plus 1 by x to the power m y to the power n, what will be twice cos m theta plus n pi. Now from the given condition, x plus 1 by x equals to twice cos theta. Okay, just putting this formula. This is the relation between exponential function and trigonometric function. Cos theta equals to what will be e to the power I theta plus e to the power minus I theta divided by 2. Just using these 2 will be cancelled, e to the power I theta plus 1 by e to the power minus I theta. So x equals to what will be only e to the power I theta. Similarly, from this second condition, we get y equals to e to the power I pi, and from the third condition, z equals to what will be e to the power I psi. This is the psi. So now taking the left hand side of the first one, left hand side, xyz plus 1 by xyz equals to, just putting these values, e to the power I theta x, y equals to e to the power I pi, z equals to e to the power I psi. Similarly, 1 divided by e to the power I pi, e to the power I theta, e to the power I pi, e to the power I psi. Now base will be same, so power will be added, theta plus pi plus psi. Okay, using similar concept, this equals to e to the power I theta plus e to the minus I theta equal to twice cos pi. This, considering this whole theta, we can write 2 cos theta. Okay, this is the right hand side. Now for the second one, second part, for the second part, what will be left hand side? What will be left hand side will be x to the power m divided by y to the power n plus y to the power n x to the power m. Now x to the power x values what? You must know e to the power I theta whole to the power m, and y value what? E to the power I pi, okay, whole to the power n, plus y value e to the power I pi divided by what will be x values e to the power I theta whole to the power n. Now this can be written as e to the power I m theta divided by e to the power I n pi plus e to the power I m pi e to the power I n theta. What will be e to the power I m theta minus n pi? This will be what? E to the power I into m pi minus n theta. Now using the formula e to the power I theta, this same theta, okay, we can write this is the m theta n pi, but here m pi minus n theta. To the power I theta. Sorry, this will be m. Okay, this will be m. Here is wrong. M, and this will be n. This will be n. Okay, so this will be n pi minus m theta. So from this line, e to the power I m theta minus n pi plus e to the power minus I m theta minus n pi. So using the same formula, twice cos theta e to the power I theta plus e to the minus I theta, what will be twice cos theta. Theta means what? M theta minus n pi. Same formula, using same formula, cos theta equals to what? E to the power I theta plus e to the power minus I theta divided by 2. Same formula. This is the right hand side. Now similarly you can prove x to the power m y to the power n plus 1 by x to the power m y to the power n equals to same result. Now number 3. Writing finished? Hello? Writing finished?
Correct. True.
Now third one.
Okay, sir.
Third one will be left hand side x to the power m y to the power n x to the power n y to the power n. X to the power m means x equals to what was? E to the power I theta equal to the power m, y equals to e to the power I pi, e to the power I theta whole to the power m, e to the power I pi whole to the I m theta I n pi. I will be common for exponential same base m theta plus n pi e to the power I m theta plus n pi. M theta plus n pi. Okay, 1 by e to the power I theta means what? E to the power minus I theta. So e to the power I theta plus e to the power minus I theta. What will be? Twice cos, using this one, twice cos theta. Yes, okay, this is the result. Very easy one. Understand everybody?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now another example. Example 2. If x minus 1 by x minus 1 by x equals to twice I sin theta, I sin theta y minus 1 by y equals to twice I sin pi, psi sin pi. Then prove that, number one, xyz 1 by xyz equals to what will be twice cos theta plus pi. Sorry, another value here, z minus 1 by z equals to twice I sin psi. Then prove. Okay, I plus psi. Number 2 will be mth root over x divided by nth root over y plus nth root over y divided by mth root over x equals to twice cos theta by m pi by n. Now x equals to twice I sin theta. Now what we can write here, x equals to this, y minus 1 by y equals to twice I sin pi, and z minus 1 by z equals to twice I sin psi. So from the first one, we can write x minus 1 by x equals to twice I sin theta equals to e to the power I theta minus e to the power minus I theta. How? Sin theta equals to formula what? E to the power I theta minus e to the power minus I theta divided by twice I. Okay, this is the exponential form and trigonometric form and their relationship. Using this relationship or identity, we can use there. So x equals to here, similarly e to the power I theta only. Okay, and similarly from second and third, y equals to what will be e to the power I pi, and z equals to e to the power I psi. Left hand side same as before, xyz plus 1 by xyz equals to twice cos equals to what will be, just putting these values, e to the power I theta, e to the power I pi, e to the power I psi, 1 by e to the power I theta, e to the power I pi, e to the power I psi. This will be same, minus I theta plus pi plus psi. This equals to what? This will be twice cos, using the this one, cos theta equals to what was e to the power I theta plus e to the power minus I theta divided by 2. So using this relationship, we can write second one, twice cos theta, e to the power I theta plus e to the power minus I theta equals to what? Twice cos theta. Theta means what? Theta plus pi plus psi. This is the right hand side. Okay. Similarly, we can prove second one. It will be very easy for you. This is the first one. Understand everybody?
Yes, sir.
Writing finish.
Sir, 2 minutes.
Now second one. Second one will be left hand side. Mth root over x divided by nth root over y plus nth root over y divided by mth root over x. This equals to, can be written as x value what? E to the power I theta. And mth root over means what? 1 by m divided by nth root over y means y value what? E to the power I, e to the power I pi. Nth root over can be written as 1 by n plus y value what? E to the power I pi nth root 1 by n divided by x value e to the power I theta, mth root means 1 by m. So this can be written as e to the power I theta by m. Okay. Similarly, e to the power I pi by n plus to the power I pi by n e to the power I theta by m. This can be written as same base. So for the quotient rule, we can write theta by m minus pi by n. And this will be e to the power I pi by n minus theta by m. So this theta by m, this here minus theta by m. So taking minus common from the second one, e to the power I theta by m pi by n plus e to the power minus I theta by m pi by n. So this equals to what? Similarly, twice cos theta. This is theta. Theta by m minus pi by n is the theta minus pi by n. This is the right hand side. Very easy one. Understand everybody?
Yes, sir.
Very easy problem. Now another one, example 3. If alpha and beta are the roots of the equation, if alpha and beta are the roots of the equation, x square minus twice x plus 2 equals to 0. Find the value of alpha to the power n plus beta to the power n, hence deduce alpha to the power 8 plus beta to the power 8 equals to 32. We have to show this result. The solution given the given equation, what? X square minus twice x plus 2 equals to 0, or just solving this quadratic equation. This x equals to what will be? X equals to minus b. B means what? Minus 2 plus minus square root b square minus 4ac divided by 2. Just comparing with this equation, x square plus bx plus c equals to 0. Here x equals to what will be? Minus b plus minus square root b square minus 4ac divided by twice a. Just here a equals to what? 1, b equals to minus 2, c equals to 2. So we get what? 4 minus 8 divided by 2. I square, 4i square. Okay. So twice I divided by 2. 2 will be common. 1 plus minus I. So we get 1 plus minus I. So here first root alpha equals to 1 plus I, and beta equals to what will be? 1 minus I, because the two roots are indicated by alpha and beta. Now let 1 plus I equals to, this can be represented as a polar form, r into cos theta plus I sin theta. Okay, I sin theta. So here r equals to what? X square plus y square. That means real part whole square plus imaginary part whole square. That means root over 2 from the given complex number alpha. And theta equals to what will be? Argument tan inverse imaginary part divided by real part. Okay. So tan inverse 1 equals to what? Pi by 4 or 45 degree. Okay. 45 degree. Therefore, alpha or 1 plus I can be written as r equals to root over 2, and this can be written as e to the power what? I theta, exponential form of a complex number. Okay. So root over e to the power I theta equals to what? 5 by 4. Similarly, beta can be written as, beta equals to what will be? 1 minus I equals to what will be? Root over 2 e to the power minus I theta. Okay. Root over 2 e to the power minus I 5 by 4. Okay. Now alpha to the power n, beta to the power n, what will be? Alpha equals to root over 2 e to the power I 5 by 4 whole to the power n, plus beta equals to what? Similarly, root over 2 e to the power minus I 5 by 4 whole to the power n. So this equals to root over 2 whole to the power n is common from here, and e to the power I n pi by 4 plus e to the power I n pi by 4. There will be minus. Root over 2 means what? Half. 2 to the power half, that means n by 2. So this can be written as twice cos e to the power I theta plus e to the power minus I theta. What will be twice cos theta? Okay, cos theta means what? N pi by 4. N pi by 4. So 2, how many here? 2 to the power n by 2 plus 1 cos n pi by 4. Okay. Now, if n equals to 8, if n equals to 8, we get alpha to the power 8 plus beta to the power 8. If then alpha to the power 8, beta to the power 8 equals to what will be? Just putting n equals to 8 here. 2 to the power 8 by 2 plus 1 cos 8 pi by 4. This equals to 2 to the power what will be? 5. Okay. 8 by 2 means 4 plus 1, and this will be cos twice pi. Okay. Cos twice pi. You must know cos twice pi equals to what? 1. So 32. Therefore, alpha to the power 8 plus beta to the power 8 equals to 32. This is the result. Okay. This is the result, and this alpha to the power n and beta to the power n equals to what will be 2 to the power n by 2 plus 1 into cos n pi by 4. This is very easy. Now there will be a homework for you. Example 4 will be homework for you. Similar example. If alpha and beta be the roots of the equation, this will be just 4. X square minus twice x plus 4 equals to 0. Then find the value of this alpha to the power n, beta to the power n, and find the value of alpha to the power 15 and beta to the power 15. Okay. This will be homework for you. Can you do this? Hello. Can you do?
Inshallah, sir.
Very easy. Same procedure. Okay. This will be 4 only. This will be 4. So this will be 4 only. Okay. Now what will be the value? This will be 16. Okay. And this will be what? Minus 12. Minus 12. So minus 12 can be written as 12i square. Okay. So 4 into 3. 4 into 3. This will be 2 root 3 I. Okay. I root 3. One is 1 plus I root 3. Another one is 1 minus I root 3. Okay. So first one, what will be? 1 plus I root 3, what will be? Considering in polar form this complex number, first roots alpha equals to 1 plus I root 3. 1 plus I root 3, what will be? R equals to cos theta plus I sin theta. So similarly, R equals to what will be? Root over real part whole square and imaginary part plus imaginary part whole square of the given this complex number. So this will be root 3 whole square. So 1 square plus root 3 whole square equals to what? Only 2. Okay. Now argument what will be? Real imaginary part divided by imaginary part what? Root over 3. Okay. Real part what? 1. So imaginary part divided by real part equals to theta. Argument. So this tan inverse root over 3, what's in which degree? 60 degree. So pi by 3. Okay. So first root 1 plus I root 3 equals to what will be? 2 into e to the power I theta, 2 into e to the power I pi by 3. Similarly, beta can be written as 1 minus I root 3 can be written as 1 minus I root 3 can be written as only 2 e to the power minus 3. So this angle will be what? 3. Now alpha to the power n, beta to the power n will be what? This will be only 2. This will be only 2. And this angle will be 3. Pi by 3. Okay. Pi by 3. This will be n pi by 3. N pi by 3. So this will be 2 to the power n will be common. And here we get n pi by 3. So this will be 2 to the power n plus 1. Okay. 2 to the power n plus 1. So if n equals to 15, then alpha to the power 8 plus beta to the power 8, what will be? Just putting n equals to 15 here. 15 to the power 15 plus 1 cos 15 pi by what will be? 3. 15 pi by 3. This will be cos 5 pi. And this will be 2 to the power 16. Now 2 to the power 16 equals to what? 2 to the power 16 equals to what? You can write, you can use calculator. So 2 to the power 16, this equals to minus 1. Cos 5 pi equals to minus 1. So minus 2 to the power 16 is the result. So alpha to the power 15 plus beta to the power 15 will be minus 2 to the power 16. And alpha to the power n plus beta to the power n value will be what? This one. Very easy. Same example, same procedure. Can you do?
Yes, sir.
পারবে তো সবাই? হ্যালো,
জি স্যার।
সিমিলার প্রসেসে এরকম অঙ্ক যদি আসে পরীক্ষা পারবে তো?
ইনশাআল্লাহ স্যার।
হ্যাঁ, তাহলে তোমরা একটা বাসায় করে নিও, আমাকে এটা নেক্সট ক্লাসে বলবে। এটা √3x, ঠিক আছে? x স্কয়ার মাইনাস √3x প্লাস √3x plus 1 equals to 0. Then find these values and reduce the values. Alpha to the power 12 and beta to the power 12 equals to 2. Okay. This will be homework for you. Example 5. Okay. Okay, thank you. Now I am finishing the lecture. From next day, we'll start another part.